Hello students, how are you? Hope every one of you is fit and fine at your homes. Students, I am your math teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today we will do the sums of exercise 7.6. Yes, we will start from sum number 3. Here the heading is there, write in columns and add. Yes, so here firstly we have to arrange the statement. Write in columns and add. Firstly, we will arrange these statements. Statement is 6 kilogram, 213 gram and 4 kilogram, 299 gram. Here firstly we will write kilogram and gram. First statement is 6 kilogram, 213 gram. Then we have to add these, and the second statement is 4 kilogram, 299 gram. Now we will add these both. Yes, 3 plus 9, 12. 1 will be carried. 1 and 1, 2. 2 and 9, 11. 1 again will be carried. Here 2 and 2, 4, and 1 here will be 5. Yes, now 6 and 4 here will be 10. Now we got 10 kilogram, 512 gram as the answer. Now let's see how to do part B. The statement is 11 kilogram, 999 gram and 14 kilogram, 1 gram. Yes, firstly we will write kilogram and gram. Now 11 kilogram, 999 gram and 14 kilogram, 1 gram. 14 kilogram and 1 gram, how we will write? Like this, we will add 1 gram. Now we will add these. Here 9 plus 1, 10. 1 will be carried. 9 plus 1, 10. Again 1 will be carried. 9 plus 1, 10. And 1 will be carried here. 1 and 1, 2. 2 and 4, 6. Here 1 plus 1, 2. So here we got 26 kilogram and 000 gram. This we can also write like only 26 kilogram. Yes, now let's see C part. What is there in C part? Yes, the statement of C part is 13 kilogram, 215 gram and 100 kilogram, 20 gram. So here firstly we will arrange the statement. We will write kilogram and gram. 13 kilogram, 215 gram. And the next statement is 100 kilogram. Like this we will arrange the statement. 100 kilogram and 20 gram. Yes, students, see the style carefully. How to write the digits? Yes, here 5 and 0, 5, 2 and 1, 3, 2 and 0, 2, here 3 and 0, 3, 1 and 0, 1, and here 1. So here we got 113 kilogram and 235 gram. Yes, now we will do part E. Yes, D part you will do by yourself. Yes, now what is there in part E? The statement is 4 kilogram, 5 gram, then comma is there, 7 kilogram, 11 gram and 12 kilogram, 120 gram. Yes, now we will write kilogram and gram. Firstly 4 kilogram, 5 gram. 4 kilogram, 5 gram we will write like this. Yes, then 7 kilogram 11 gram. Yes, then third statement is also there, 12 kilogram 120 gram. Now we will add these. 5 and 1 6, 2 and 1 3, here 1, then 4 plus 7 11 and 2 13, 1 again will be carried, here 2. Yes, now here we got 23 kilogram 136 gram as the answer. Yes, now in the same way you will do F part by yourself. Yes, now let's move to sum number 4. What is there in sum number 4? Here it is, write in columns and subtract. Yes, firstly we have to arrange and after that we will do subtraction. The statement is 2 kilogram 750 gram from 3 kilogram 100 gram. Yes, now from is there. So how to write the statement? 3 kilogram 100 gram will be written firstly. Then subtract 2 kilogram 750 grams. Like this we will arrange the statement. After that we will do subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. Here 0 minus 5 is not possible, so we will take one borrow from here and here it will become 10. 10 minus 5, 5. So here left 0. So we will take one borrow from here. It will become 10. 10 minus 7, 3 will be there and 2 minus 2, 0 will be there. So here we got 0 kilogram and 350 gram. So we will write this 350 grams only, because only 0 kilogram we will not write here. We will write only 350 grams. Yes, after that what is there in B part? The statement of B part is 9 kilogram 980 gram. 9 kilogram 981 gram from 10 kilogram. Yes students, see the statement carefully. Here it is 9 kilogram 981 gram from 10 kilogram. Here grams are not written. As you remember in the addition sums what we have done, here when we got the answer 26 kilogram and 000 grams, what we have written 26 kilograms only. So it means 26 kilogram can also be written as 26 kilograms and 000 grams. So here in the same way when it is written 10 kilogram, so we can write 000 grams with this. Yes, so now we will arrange the statement. Here 10 kilogram and here 000 grams. Now we have to do subtraction. 9 kilogram 981 grams. Now 0 minus 1 we can't subtract. Yes, so from here, from 1 we will take one borrow. Here it will become 10. From this 10 we will give 1 to here. Here left 9 and here it will become 10. Now from this 10, here left 9 and here it will become 10. From this 10 we will give 1 here. Here left 9 and here it will be 10. Now 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. Here 9 minus 9, 0. So here after subtraction we got 0 kilogram 019 grams. So here 0 kilogram we will not write. We will write only 019 grams. And as I told you, 0 has no value before a number. So here we can write only 19 grams. So here we got this answer. Yes. Now C part you will do by yourself, and I am going to tell you D part. What is there in D part? The statement of D part is there. Yes, 6 kilogram from 6 kilogram 439 grams. We will write kilogram and gram. 6 kilogram 439 grams we will write firstly. Then after that here is 6 kilogram. As I already told you in the B part sum that 10 kilogram 000 grams we can write. Now in the same way 6 kilogram is there. So here we will write 000 grams. Now we will do subtraction. Here we will get 9, here 3, here 4, and here we will get 0. So here we got 0 kilogram 439 grams. Yes, this we will not write. So the answer will be 439 grams. Yes students, hope you have understood all these sums. Yes, now you will do all these sums, sum number 3 and sum number 4 of this exercise in your maths fair notebook in good handwriting. Thanks and have a beautiful day ahead.